So I've got two boxes for jackets and stuff. This is more for like sweatshirts, sweaters, and these are more for like heavy duty, like winter jackets. And as you can see, I've got a lot of crap just laying around my room. So I'm going to put jackets where they're supposed to go and organize these two boxes. But before I do that, I have to move the stuff that's on top of them. Thought that was gonna hit. Okay, so let's look at this one. Honestly, I'm just gonna be like folding and reorganizing. I'm not really getting rid of anything. I'm just gonna be placing stuff in a nicer manner. Let that just go there. Rose Apothecary, any Schitt's Creek fans? This is a Bob Marley sweatshirt I got my freshman year of college. I got it with one of my really good friends, Susan, during fall break. I also got this Sick Tiger sweatshirt that same day. Hot Topic, it was like buy one get one free. So I got two sweatshirts for like literally $10. It was sick. I honestly don't really have like any sense to how I'm organizing them. I'm just sort of folding them up and putting them in as we go. This is honestly more for me so that I know what I have and where things are. Fun fact about this one, every time I wear it, my mom gets mad at me because I did not buy her one. And she like literally like cursed me out one day.
You done lost your damn mind. When you get your damn mind, you call me.
When she saw me wearing it because she thought it was cute, and she got really angry at me that I did not buy her one, so now I can't wear it around her. Luckily, she's not here though, so I can wear it whenever I want. This is a cute one I got from Salvation Army before I realized how transphobic they were.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Yeah, I think that's all that's gonna go in here. I'm gonna grab that lid. Alright, now it's time for a fun one. Can I like raise this up a little bit more? Oh, this is a much better angle. I should have done that before. Oh well. Okay, so again, this is really just for me to figure out what I do and what I do not have. I'm not getting rid of anything right now. So we're just gonna, oh, this should go in here. Ooh. Oh my god.
Oh my god, what is that?
I've got two like ace bandages from when I like broke my feet my first year of teaching.
Wait a damn minute. What?
I forgot I had these. I've got my crutches hidden behind that door over there. When I got these, I did not wash them for like a month, and it was so gross. They smell so bad, and like I would literally wear them to work like every day because I had to. But like, girl, what were you thinking wearing them to work and you didn't wash them? They smell awful. Like, why? Why would you do that?
But you did this for what?
Good times. Oh, here's a super cute sweatshirt lifeguard skirt that I wore for a costume. Halloween costume. Boom. Nailed it. Okay, here's some long johns. These probably shouldn't go in here. Here's a jacket I never wear from Eddie Bauer because it's ugly. I'm all about form over function. Likewise, here is a vest with the tags still on it from Eddie Bauer that my parents also got me that I literally have never worn because again, form over function.
Don't forget it!
Here's a cute beanie, or not beanie, but it goes well with these also wool knit gloves with little fingy wingies. They can either be like a glove or a little mitten. That's cute. We don't know where the other one is yet. Here's a beanie that my aunt made. A beanie that one of my old roommates' moms made. Here is, oh, that's cute. I'll put this with my t-shirts after I wash it. Here's a fashion scarf. Here's a wool scarf, but I think this is Burberry. Not Burberry. It is Burberry. Fake cashmere scarf. It's not cashmere, but it kind of looks like cashmere, so that's cute. Here's a Google beanie that I got from career day at school. Oh, here's a gray scarf. I like this one a lot. It's like a jersey knit material. Very fun. And then here's, I think this is real cashmere. I don't really know, but it's very soft, but very electro-staticky. Here's some leather gloves. Here's a really good jacket I got from Gap, but some buttons are shattered and or falling off. So I need to either buy new buttons and sew them on, which could be fun, or get a new jacket. Oh my god. I think my feet are turning purple from sitting like that, which they literally already did.
Okay.
Here's a gray trench I got from Salvation Army as well. Again, before we knew what we know now. So I don't go there anymore, but I used to go there every Wednesday.
That won't be happening anymore.
There's a Columbia, what are these called? Not windbreakers. They're like called something. I don't remember.
Oh my god, I'm not being relatable. Okay, this is awkward, bye!
Recently got a thrift store in New York. I don't remember what the thrift store was called, but the jacket's super cute. I've got one more jacket over here. This is my like grandpa's jacket, I think, which is confusing because it's a leather jacket.
She's a mammoth, of course.
A vintage leather jacket, but the tag says 100% polyester, which like, did they do fake leather back in like the 60s? I guess they did. That was a dumb question. Anyways, great jacket. I never saw the other glove. This in here as well. Yeah, I think that's it for these jackets. So let me put them back over here, and then I will put these new jackets into here. And I'll get that. I've been looking for this chapstick months, like a long time. Did it? Okay, no, but for real though, Burt's Bees, they're like tinted chapstick, tinted moisturizer, tinted lip balm in rose. Are you kidding? It's like a natural rouge. I don't know. It looks so good though.
I don't think so.
I love it. Then, okay, look what I've been filming on though. Got a box of toiletries, box of cleaning supplies and more toiletries, a nightstand with a tag on it.
Ah, the ghetto! The ghetto. The ghetto.